Relate to your garden with a lush greenery grass ideas for garden orcas. So please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Welcome back to Garden Aesthetics. Today we are dividing into a reclaimed lush greenery grass and how to transform your garden into a picturesque orcas. Whether it's your season garden just starting out, these ideas will inspire your creating and vibrant inviting outdoor space. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and this video. So if you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon and enjoy the video. And also this video share to your friends and family members. Embrace variety of depths and dimension. The key of captivating garden is a delicious, craft various shades and greenery grass to create dynamic and visually appealing landscape. Pathways for structure give your garden a polished look by defining edges of pathways. Crisp, well-defined borders provide structure, framing the lush and greenery grass visually appealing way. Use materials like stone bricks or even plants to create distinct boundaries. A well thoughtful out pathway inviting exploration, widening destroys through the greenery and creating scene order in your garden. Elevate your garden design by playing with shades and patterns in the arrangement of greenery grounds. Experiment with the geometrical patterns of create free flowing serines and unfrosted and bake of monotony. This not only enhances visual appeal but also allows to personalize your garden layout, making it a unique reflection of style. Integrate colorful companions while greenery grass forms a backbone of your garden. Integrating colorful and sharks enhance its beauty. So if you are new here, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Also this video share to your friends. Choose blooms that complement that various shades of green. Adding vibrant pops of color. Strategic placement of these companions create a harmonious balance, turning your garden into captivating symphony and juice. In conclusion, relaxing your garden with a lush greenery grass is rewarding in the air and elevate aesthetics of your outdoor space. Embrace variety of design and display with the shades and intricate color companions. Create a garden that not only looks stunning but also reflects your personal style. Stay tuned for more garden tips, inspiration, happy garden. Please like the video and click the subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.